So, as part of my jointer restoration, I needed some non-drying Prussian blue. So I figured, okay, the local O'Reilly didn't necessarily have it, and I could just get it from Amazon, so I just ordered from Amazon, right? You know, usually they pack things, they used to pack things much better, now they're all that whole minimal stuff. But I figured they'd probably do something with this, right? No. They just had it in this, you know, thin plastic, whatever thing. This used to have a much bigger dent in than it is. I mean, you can see it's dented. It was twice that. It was almost, the tube was almost bent in half. And then I'm looking and looking, it's like, okay, there's a little bit of blue on this edge. That's probably not good. And I looked, and it's split open at the bottom. It hit hard enough that it split open the back. I'm not sure that it's still usable or not. I mean, obviously it doesn't dry, it doesn't matter a whole lot. I'm really not sure how much is going to come out the front when I actually open it. But I could probably just tape that up or put something on there, like maybe some JB Weld to clean it up good. JB Weld epoxy the whole back end so it's like there's nothing that can come out. That might work. But yeah, it should. And it's not completely destroyed. It's theoretically still usable. It's not for, you know, it's not for eating or anything like that. So the fact that there's a hole in the back doesn't make it like non-usable. But that's just, I mean, the tube is very well beat up. So this is an Amazon fail. They should have packed it a little bit better than just in one of these things. Or like a layer of bubble wrap or something around it, you know, just to keep it so it helps keep the shape a little bit better. And if it something, just this by itself in one of these things, no, that's not good enough, because all it takes is if it was just being packed by itself and shipped by itself and there wasn't heavy boxes around it, sure. But when you just have something like this, other Amazon boxes get beat against it, like happened. We had a bunch of chewing gum and stuff. I think that may have been like that hit this or something. But yeah, that's a fail on the Amazon shipping department. I don't think I'm going to return it just because, again, it's still, I think, usable. I have to see how badly it squirts out when I open it. But I'm not going to do that till I'm ready to use it, so I can just use what comes out versus making a mess. And I couldn't wait. I had to just see. And it does look like it has that protective aluminum layer. So it doesn't squirt out yet, but I'm sure it will once I puncture that to try and use it. Added a bunch of the JB Weld on the end. We'll see if it works. Worst case, I have a mess that has epoxy on. Best case, it seals up the bottom and I can just use the tube. So, we'll see.